Hey guys, it's me Lori, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will going to show you on how to create business plan presentation in Soomus. I will put the link on the description box. In this application, you can record a video presentation wherein you can quickly share your ideas anytime. Also, you can present live in a video conference. This application is perfect for business and online teaching. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First, just go to soom.us. Then click the free download. Just wait it to download, then install it to your computer or laptop. Once it is done, just open the application. If you want to create a new video, just click the violet button, while if you have your PowerPoint presentation, just click the orange button, then import your PPT file. Then wait it to finish importing. When it is done importing, you can select the slides that you want to include in your presentation. If you want to import all the slides, just click the Import All. On the right side of your screen, you can choose your preferred template. You can choose your specific template based on your PowerPoint. If your presentation is all about business, then choose Business Theme. While presenting, you can open your webcam and choose your preferred size and position. In this application, you can change your virtual background, you can choose your specific background that will suit for your PowerPoint presentation. If your video is all about education, you can choose a classroom scenario. There's a feature in this application wherein you can enhance the video quality by just adding the beautification. You can smoothen or whiten your face. This feature enables you to enhance your shape and video quality. There's also a video filter wherein you can choose your preferred filter. If you want to start recording, just click the record button and it will start recording the video. When you are done presenting, just click the Done button. Then click Save Video. On the top left corner of the screen, there are different options that you can use in saving your PowerPoint. In this section, you can create a new video or open an existing PowerPoint presentation. What I like the most in this application, it enables the content and the presenter are both visible. It helps me to make my video presentation more engaging and attractive. So here is the sample video created in Soomus. Hello, I am Lori Levita and I will going to show you our business plan. Our business company name is Tasty Merienda. Let's proceed in our executive summary. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.